Phrasal verbs versus prepositional verbs, a dive into English intricacies. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to uncover the mysteries of English verb phrases, specifically the difference between phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's dive in. In English, a phrasal verb is a verb that is combined with an adverb or a preposition, or sometimes both, to give a new meaning. They're a common feature of everyday English language use. For example, give up, break down, or check out. It's important to remember that the meaning of a phrasal verb often doesn't relate directly to the meanings of its components. Like, give up means to quit, not to give in an upward direction. On the other hand, prepositional verbs are also combinations of verbs and prepositions, but in this case, the preposition is a necessary part of the verb, giving it a specific direction or target. Examples include look at, listen to, or depend on. The preposition here is not optional, and the verb's meaning is more closely tied to the preposition's regular meaning. Now that we know what they are, let's delve into the differences. A key difference between phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs lies in their object placement. For phrasal verbs, you can often place the object in the middle of the phrase or at the end. For example, you can say, I will pick up the kids, or I will pick the kids up. Both are correct. But for prepositional verbs, the object must come after the preposition. We say, I am looking at the painting, not, I am looking the painting at. Another difference is their particle. In phrasal verbs, the particle is an adverb like up, off, out, etc. In prepositional verbs, it's a preposition like at, for, from, etc. And there you have it, a quick dive into the world of phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs. Remember, the key to understanding and using these correctly is practice. Try to spot these in your daily reading or conversations, and make use of them in your own speech and writing. We hope this video has shed some light on these interesting verb forms. Happy learning!